Good day and welcome to the channel. This is Chris from Phoenix Studio and I am here with the solution for your RTX voice cracking and crackling in games or whatever music related issues that you've got. I mean, really, I stumbled upon something and I was thinking nah, that won't be it, but eventually it is that. Okay, for you guys who's got an RTX card, it'll be even better. You will see. There is a new feature since Windows 10 basically, but in your settings. Very simple. It is a quick solution. You type in GPU in your graphic settings. Then you will see change default graphic settings. This little bastard is basically what you need to turn off. As soon as you switch this one off and you restart your PC, well, your crackling is gone. You can play any 3D game, you will see it'll work perfectly. Now, I have a little game here, a cracker altogether. Okay, so as you can hear, the music is playing, there is no issue. You can just go into the game. I will let it load for a while. As you can hear, there is music playing and no cracking. My voice is not cracking one bit. And here we are in the game. Performance is quite good. There is no issues with stuttering and glitches whatsoever. Everything is running quite fine. The only thing is, I'll show you again, go to settings, type in GPU, go to graphic settings, change the default graphics and switch hardware accelerated GPU scheduling off. So this is doing something to the GPU, which is like not allowing background processes to perform as good as it's supposed to. So it gives priority to the 3D application that you're launching, your games basically. And obviously, since RTX Voice is running in the background, it is going to cut off its performances. So I hope you like this little tutorial and I hope it'll help a lot of you, because it did help me a lot, seriously, because I love RTX Voice and I only have a GTX card, and so the result is amazing. Well, thank you for watching. Give a like if you like it, subscribe to the channel if you feel like it. If not, then so be it, it's okay. It will help us a lot, but okay. Your choice, we're not forcing anyone. But okay, for this, that is it, and we will see you next time.